Hi guys! Do you want to learn how to create a QR code in Excel for free? In this video I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, let me start. Here is MS Excel. First let me create a space to show you how to create this QR code. Here let me type in a phone number. Then here it's where I'm going to insert the QR code. Okay. Please first make sure that you connected to the internet. Then move up here to Insert tab. Tap on Get Add-ins. Okay, at this right side you will see a new panel opened. Move here on Search tab. They type in QR for Office and click on Search. Here is the QR for Office add-in. Tap on Add. Click on Continue. Good, now here you can see the QR icon added here. Let me show you how to customize it. Since we are going to use this QR for contact number, change this to Tel. Then enter the phone number. Here down you can change the color of QR the way you want it to be. Here you can see, it's in the space where I want to save it. If you want to save this QR for use, move down here, right-click on it and save as image. Choose the location and tap on Save. Here is our QR code. So let me go on the phone and see the results. On the phone let me download any QR code reader. Okay, here when I scan you can see this. So that's how you can easily make this QR code for free. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and give a like or thanks. Have a nice time.